If speed matters in your gaming or typing experience, the Razer Optical Keyboard is worth a close look. It uses cutting-edge optical switches that register key presses with light-based actuation, making it noticeably faster than traditional mechanical keyboards. With a 30% shorter actuation distance at just 1.5 mm, your commands hit instantly, giving you a real edge in fast-paced games. What sets these optical switches apart isn't just speed, it's the satisfying, clicky feedback that still feels familiar and responsive. You get the tactile sensation you expect from a mechanical keyboard, but with a quicker response time. Many users report that the transition from standard mechanical or laptop keyboards is smooth, with minimal adjustment needed to reach peak typing comfort. Beyond speed, the keyboard offers ultimate personalization through Razer Chroma. This system supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys, syncing perfectly with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue lighting, and accessories from over 30 partners. The immersive lighting effects bring your setup to life and can even react dynamically to your gameplay. Durability is another highlight. The keyboard's top frame is crafted from matte aluminum, which not only looks sleek but also adds structural strength. This solid build ensures the keyboard withstands intense gaming sessions without flexing or wear. The keycaps are made of regular ABS, balancing durability with comfort. Comfort during long gaming marathons is crucial, and Razer delivers with an ergonomic wrist rest. Made from plush leatherette, it provides soft support that reduces wrist fatigue. Plus, the wrist rest features built-in underglow lighting, adding a subtle aesthetic touch that complements the keyboard's overall design. Customization goes deeper with fully programmable macro support via Razer Hypershift. This feature allows you to remap every key and keypress combination, enabling complex commands and shortcuts tailored to your playstyle or workflow. Whether you're executing combos or automating repetitive tasks, this level of control enhances efficiency. The keyboard is built to last, boasting an unrivaled lifespan of up to 100 million clicks. That's twice the durability of most competitor keyboards, backed by a 2-year manufacturer warranty. This reliability means you can trust your investment to perform consistently over time. Users across the United States have praised the Razer Optical Keyboard, especially highlighting the speed and feel of the optical switches. One reviewer described it as the cream of the crop, noting how the keyboard feels faster than standard mechanical models while delivering perfect feedback. Even those switching from laptop keyboards adapt quickly and enjoy the media keys that add extra convenience. If you're looking for a keyboard that blends rapid response with quality craftsmanship, this Razer model fits the bill. The combination of optical switches, durable aluminum construction, and extensive lighting customization creates a compelling package for both gamers and heavy typists. The wrist rest's plush leatherette surface makes a noticeable difference during extended sessions, helping to prevent strain and maintain comfort. This thoughtful ergonomic feature shows Razer's commitment to user experience, not just flashy specs. Razer Chroma's extensive compatibility means you can unify your gaming setup's lighting with ease. Whether you want synchronized effects across your mouse, keyboard, and room lighting or prefer subtle, individual key colors, the system adapts to your preferences. Programmable macros open up new possibilities beyond gaming. Streamline your workflow, launch apps, or control multimedia with custom key combinations. The flexibility of Razer Hypershift turns your keyboard into a powerful command center. The keyboard's design strikes a balance between style and substance. The matte aluminum frame resists fingerprints and scratches, maintaining a clean look over time. Meanwhile, the underglow lighting adds personality without overwhelming your desk space. For gamers who demand precision and speed, the 1.5 mm actuation distance translates to faster reaction times. This subtle difference can mean the difference between winning or losing in competitive play, giving you a tangible advantage. Media keys add practical value, letting you control music, volume, and playback without leaving your game or work. This convenience factor makes daily use smoother and more enjoyable. Durability is often overlooked but crucial for serious users. With a lifespan rated at 100 million clicks, this keyboard is built to endure heavy use, making it a smart choice for those who type or game for hours every day. If you're ready to upgrade your setup with a keyboard that offers speed, durability, and rich customization, the Razer Optical Keyboard is worth considering. It's designed to meet the needs of serious gamers and professionals alike. Try it when you're ready to experience a keyboard that doesn't just keep up but pushes your performance forward. With its fast optical switches, solid build, and deep personalization, it's a tool that adapts to how you play and work. Worth a look if you want a keyboard that blends cutting-edge technology with practical features and lasting comfort. The Razer Optical Keyboard delivers on speed, style, and substance, all in one package.